Hey guys, how's it going? I want to go over Dogecoin today, and yeah, I just want to move through this coin. We're going to look at the metrics over here. We're also going to take a look at the indicators, but I want to dive into this today. Real quickly, guys, updating you. We currently went, we won another trade. We won another trade. We went 103 to 104 to 105. Our 105th trade was taken yesterday, and this was actually on XRP for a 6.11% profit. We don't have metrics for XRP. Because we replaced it with Mana, Decentraland, as well as AVAX, which is Avalanche. But I just want to let you guys know that. So we went 105 for 105. I will show you guys in this video. Give me until like a little bit of the second half to show you guys how to do this. But I will show you how to get into our membership over here so you guys can trade with us, take all the same trades. It is looking awesome. We're about to win another trade very soon on AVAX. We're 7.59% in the profit, so definitely watch out for that. Mana as well, we're looking at this. We're in the profit again. We just won a trade on this. We just won 2 trades on this, and now we're up again 1.71%, so that's looking amazing, and some other coins as well. Today, I want to talk about Dogecoin. That's why you guys clicked on this thumbnail. Guys, is Dogecoin dead, or is this thing just going to just like teeter-tot at the bottom prices here? It's kind of what I want to take a look at today. Now, I'll be just straight up honest with you guys in the beginning of this video, guys. I like Dogecoin because of Elon Musk. And I do not like Dogecoin because of Elon Musk, okay? These 2 spikes that you see right here are literally results of 2 tweets. This was a tweet they said that we're considering accepting Dogecoin for some of our merchandise. That was this pump right over here you guys see. This pump over here was the official announcement that they were going to accept Dogecoin for some of their merchandise, like the official announcement. Like you can now purchase some Tesla merchandise with Dogecoin. Great. Awesome. And then what happened here was just an emotional pump followed by a bunch of retail traders who were the cult following. They just dumped it right afterwards. Ridiculous. I know. So what I'm seeing lately is this confidence for us? Or I know I'm going to get bashed on this in the comments probably from like the cult following. But guys, come on. Like, do you guys not see that Elon Musk is literally like the guy driving this entire coin on the pumps? Like those are from his pumps. Now, I will give credit to this. I have enjoyed seeing lately, without Elon, doing any crazy tweets, that we've overall seen a price increase in Doge. I know the entire market's going up, so that has something to do with it as well. But I don't know. There's just like, part of me is like teeter-tottering back and forth. Is Dogecoin literally just going to like kind of teeter out here and like just start moving back down and just, okay, we're going to hit back down to like literally structure support of like 12 cents? Are we going to move back to 12 cents? Or what's going to be the catalyst to actually make Dogecoin go up? Now, I have read some articles, so I want to cover both sides here. I'm not just going to be like doom and gloom, but let me give you guys some hope. Like there are rumors out there that Mr. Beast, his burger chain, Mr. Beast Burger, is looking to possibly accept Dogecoin. Also, there's been some jokes out there and some possible rumors that McDonald's may actually in the future possibly accept Dogecoin. Like literally, I know Elon Musk was actually like joking around about that. So there's these other places that are like, ironically, this may actually be a coin that you want to hold for the long term. I do hold a decent amount of Dogecoin. It's actually my 3rd highest coin in here of about almost $12,000 out of the 150,000 that we hold over here. So it is a coin that I hold. Let's take a look at the metrics today and give us an idea. I want to go over a few things to give you guys a scope of what I'm looking at, and we're going to go over all this. So the indicators here, we're looking at the trend dashboard here. Most of all the retail trader indicators here are bullish. Now, when these are all green, guys, this is honestly the time to sell because these guys are getting emotional. They're getting, look over here, we're going to go over this, but they're getting excited. And when the market gets excited, what do you guys see that happen in the price? Drops down in price, drops down in price. I'll go over there in a second. We'll talk about that. But what I'm seeing right now is this nice dip back down. Now, yes, arguably this is somewhat of a bullish pattern because this is what's called a bull flag. You have the flagpole and you have a descending channel off of a pump. Okay, this is what's called a bull flag, which usually, honestly, it actually pushes up here about 70% of the time. So from a technical analysis perspective, I wouldn't doubt if we actually see Dogecoin trying to head up here a little bit further. We even see down here that as the well money flow is moving out, clearly we saw when this got to the top section up here as well as the trend exhaustion, this is where we exhausted the move up and we started to move back down. This is very clear. I know I show this to you guys a lot, but when you guys see the trend exhaustion in these top red sections here, this is where you need to be looking for market moves back down in price. These indicators are so accurate at calling this, and we've got people scalping the markets with these. I will come out with a masterclass to show you guys how to scalp the markets here. But really, guys, even over here, when people got into this trade, we were able to get traders out with about a 22% profit. If you guys remember that video, that was because we watched the trend exhaustion push to the top red section as well as the well money flow. I'm showing you guys this past data so you can see the accuracy of this. This is why you guys need these on your charts. They're in the description, and we have our bundle pack that's 82% off. Unshamefully pulling up a sales pitch right now. These indicators have helped us go 105 for 105 wins, guys. We hold the highest win rate on all of YouTube. The way we're able to exit at these high points before the market drops is with these indicators here, okay? I've even had the COO and the CMO of TradingView in the past come out and try to purchase indicators that I've coded. The accuracy of these are very powerful, okay? In the description, you guys can snag those. What I'm watching for next here to bring this to the forefront is when the trend exhaustion either pushes to the top red section and well money flows high, or we see this push down to the bottom red section here with well money flow low. This is where I'm looking for the nice springboards back up or back down. And that's where you can either take advantage of profits on your long trades and get out before they move back down, or it's a very good time for you guys to get back into Dogecoin when we're down here, because that is when we're looking for moves up. Do you guys see what happened the last time, just the very last time we got to the bottom red section here? What did we see? We saw the movement back up in Dogecoin, okay? Even this bottom right here was called, and it did not head down any further because we got to this bottom section here. Now, some of you guys are like, that's not a big move. But if you guys come out here and you guys are able to time this down here and you're looking to just take some small profits, I recommend you guys use our strategy where we're actually using dollar cost average entries, but you're looking at about 5 to 6% on this. Those of you guys who I know are using these indicators to scalp and you're doing like 1 to 2%, guys, that's pretty simple to do the 1 or 2% here and then exit the market. And doing that over and over and over again is not a bad idea. I use buy limits, and I'll go over that in this video, but I just showing you guys how you can make money with these. Those are in the descriptions, and I'll go over them a little bit more later in this video. Okay, our metrics over here. How do you guys access all of the trade setups? How do you access all of our metrics? It's part of our membership. I'll do this very fast because I want to get into the analysis today. Our membership is going up in price to $95 a month starting February 25th. You guys have 10 days left, $49 a month. Snag this now. Get all the metrics, as well as get into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits and entries that I'm getting into for the coins, just like I did on Mana, as well as the inner circle access and access to all the master classes. So make sure you guys snag that. That's how you guys are getting access to all this data. And all the win rates that we have over here, guys, all the 105, you guys get access to all that with this, okay? Unshamefully plugging the membership because we're making people a ridiculous amount of money in here. And some people are actually finally trading for a living because they're following what we're teaching over here, okay? I'm going to be one of those channels, guys. I'm going to be honest. I'm unshamefully going to talk about our membership because it is helping so many people, okay? Once you guys get in it, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, I see why. Okay, guys, look at the emotional index here. This is showing us that the market is excited right now. I know I went over this already, but when the market is excited, and this is honestly, retail traders who are getting very excited over here, this is where I want you guys to watch for prices to move back down. If you guys are trading and that guy behind the other side of the screen always takes the opposite trade of you, and whenever you go long, the market goes short, and you're like, I can't ever seem to win a trade, I'm going to help you guys win trades. We've never lost a trade, so I can help you guys win trades. And maybe you may never lose a crypto trade again once you start trading with us. Okay? You may never lose a crypto trade again. We've done it, and we've been trading here almost an entire year, and 105 trades later, we've never lost. The reason why you guys are seeing the market go against you when you enter into trades is because you are trading emotionally. You have to stop trading emotionally, and you have to start trading with Wells institutions. They trade against the liquidity of retail traders. I'll go into that more in another video. Let's move down here. Long versus short trades here. What we're seeing honestly, very powerful here actually, is short trades are drastically decreasing on Dogecoin. That is interesting as well as powerful because we see long trades increasing. And that's happening while the price is going up. This is interesting in my opinion on Bitfinex because either people are taking their shorts out of Dogecoin and put them into other coins, or they're just simply thinking, oh my gosh, something may be coming. And maybe some people know things that we don't know. I don't know. I find this very interesting that short trades are moving out while the price is going up. It's usually the opposite, where short trades actually increase while price is going up, looking to actually short the pump. Okay? No, it's actually moving down. This honestly is a bullish sign that we could be seeing this bear trap actually start forming here, which it is, and then start seeing a move back up. I do think by the end of February, it is possible to see a move up here back up to about 20 to 21 cents at the end of February. I think that is possible, guys, just simply off the market structure and how money's moving into different coins. Let's take a look at the market cap strength of Dogecoin right now. What percent of the overall market does Dogecoin hold? If you look at this green line and you go straight over to the left, it holds right about 1.1%, okay? What I'm using this for is to specifically look at divergence. All right, let me show you why this is very important that you guys need to understand this. Do you see what happened right here? Look at price. I showed this to you guys on Bitcoin, how it literally, like, we were able to, like, literally with a, I don't want to say like prophecy, it kind of sounds weird, but like predict movements down on Bitcoin with this. When Dogecoin moved down in price, we saw a breakdown in price. What happened right here? As that moved down, we actually saw the market cap distribution in the overall market shift into Dogecoin and out of other coins. Really interesting, because normally, guys, in a bear market like this, with price action moving down, you see the overall market cap moving down as well. Okay, but basically saying, all right, if Dogecoin's moving down, money's moving out of here, and the altcoins are moving down, it's usually being shoved into like Bitcoin or Ethereum, okay? But I find it interesting that we can see correlations here, that when the price went down here, this moved up. And then right up here, when the price actually saw a huge increase, people were like, all right, well, now that the market, this is increasing here, we actually saw the market cap move out for Dogecoin. This means that money went to other coins and it moved out of Dogecoin. Isn't that a prediction? In my opinion, I believe this is true, that if money's moving out of Dogecoin, why would money move out of Dogecoin into other coins if there wasn't confidence that Dogecoin was going to keep heading up? Okay? That is why I believe divergence of watching the percent of overall market cap dropping while price increases, to me, is a sign that we're going to see a drop back down. Why? Because money's moving out of this coin, it's going other places. Does that make sense, guys? It's powerful. If you guys go back and watch the second to last Bitcoin video, I think I still have that pinned on the YouTube channel. Man, like we called it's called like the last 5 cycles of bear markets and bull markets with this metric. It is so powerful. Make sure you guys are watching that. Okay, I'm geeking out on that lately because it's like a new metric we have, and it's like, whoa, like this thing could give us insights into the market that I don't think we've ever really interpreted before. Okay, so just watch that. Okay, trades in favor here. We are definitely pushing up here to the great short trade. That obviously that was right up here, and then we started moving back down. What I'm looking for, guys, is this to move back down to the great long trade. Guys, right around this area here, when this pushed down into good long trade and then great long trade, this is where we entered in. Honestly, guys, like almost $50,000. $49,000 was right around this area here. And we were riding this thing up, and our account is doing really well. We are only like $2,300 away from break even, while most people's accounts are still down 30 to 40%, guys. 30 to 40%. I'm going to turn this on just so I have a drawing tool panel here. 30 to 40% that they're down. It's pretty ridiculous. Because of our risk management strategy, we are using 4 different buy limits for each of our strategies, and I'll show you guys how to do this before you end this video so you can see how to trade this, even on Dogecoin if you want. This is how we're not losing trades, and our accounts, guys, everybody who trades with us, your accounts are going to be super healthy. Okay? Again, yes, I'm turning this into a sales little pitch right now because you guys need to understand that we have so many traders out there that are losing their shorts in this bear market while we are almost ready to go back into the profit. And you cannot experience that unless you guys have good risk management, okay? Oh man, I'm just getting like more jacked up this morning. Okay, well, in institutional smart money, what's happening here? You guys are seeing that the acquisition of short trades are coming out here for Wells institutions. Okay, that means that you guys cannot keep seeing a price structure go up here. It's gonna move back down. Don't believe me? Let me prove this. Last time we saw a spike up here for Dogecoin, this was Elon Musk's tweet. Look at what happened. I know retail traders thought this was gonna go to the moon because we saw a spike. Oh, Dogecoin's back, it's going to the moon. No, guys, save yourself tens of thousands, some of you hundreds of thousands that I'm working with, by watching this metric over here. If you guys see a pump in price and you guys see the smart money, Wells institutions coming out and they're taking aggressiveness down here of short trades, we see a drop. Look at this right here. Saw the drop, predicted the drop right here. When you guys see this, you need to understand that this is forecasting the future of like a prophecy of what's going to happen on the market. This is already taking place right now. Look at all this accumulation here of short trades here. Like people are already making money. And if this market turns around, great, they're already made their money in the short trades. And if it goes around, guess what, guys? As this starts moving back up here, and starts moving up even faster, we're probably going to see this come out with even more short trades. Now, this is why I'm telling you guys, as the market moves down here, this is where you want to pick up your long trades, okay? Because I can guarantee you guys, if this moves down here, what we're going to see is just as it's already doing, this metric is going to start moving back to the middle, shifting and oscillating back to long trades to give you guys more power for your long trades in the market, which is going to help pump the price back up, which is exactly what we saw over here on the dip, which helps shoot the price up here. Okay, guys, if you're watching this, like, this is simple. Read the descriptions of the metrics and get these on your side, guys. Imagine checking this every single morning before you enter a trade. The amount of accuracy you guys and the acceleration of knowledge you would have in trading, it really is amazing. It's pretty crazy. It's why we've never lost a trade, honestly, guys. Support and resistance prices. Coming out here, and we're looking at this up here about 17 cents is a nice resistance. Let's take a look at 17 cents. It's right up here at this top. So I do think, we could head up here on this bull flag here. If I could do a prediction here, I would say if the market turns around, and I just came out with an ADA video where I was saying we could actually hit a dollar on ADA Cardano by Monday. I do think that's possible. But there are some signs in here, especially on Dogecoin with this bull flag here, we could actually start pushing up to. I don't want to be super aggressive here, but if it gets bullish, I could see 17 cents by Monday. I'm not going to come out here and say like, oh, we're going to hit like 50 cents or anything crazy like that. But no, I think by Monday, a bull move back up here could push us to about 17 cents. All right, I just want to cover both sides of the market. If this heads down, the greatest structural support is clearly, you guys can see this, it's at 14 cents. Let's take a look at 14 cents. So right about there, around these structure lows here. So we're looking at 14 cents, or we're going to be looking at about 17 cents. I feel as though this market, since we've gone down here so far, we could see a little bit of a dip back down, but overall, I think we could be actually seeing a market move back up in Doge, okay? That's just kind of what I'm seeing here, especially because the trend exhaustion is starting to move down here a little bit, and the well money flow is getting down to the lower sections. This shows me that wells are pretty much done selling. Like, look at this. When they're done selling, guys, and it's low, the market starts moving up because what do? They start buying, okay? That's why you watch this. They're done buying up here, guys. They're going to sell. They're going to shift to selling, and that's what drops the market. The indicators, the metrics, guys, links to all this are in the description. Set yourself up with set yourself up with success. Oh boy, that was weird. All right, let's do this. Dollar cost average entries. Great time for you guys to get into the market. Those of you guys who are holding for 5 to 10 years, that's a great place to enter into. Exit points here. Let's go over this really quick. Coming out here, looking at a drop back down. That was right around this area, literally at the top here, around this moment here, about these 4 candles movements up here saying, hey guys, watch out. This isn't going to keep heading up. And now we're seeing the drop back down. So let me show you guys. In this market phase right now, I really do believe the best thing to do is to honestly get setups for trades. Literally scroll down here on Dogecoin and you're going to see this trade setup. Let me show you guys how to do this on Bitcoin because I want to just honestly keep it private for our members over here. Okay, Bitcoin charts, let's move down to the absolute bottom here and you guys will see this here. So we're going to be looking at the state. This is going to update here literally in like 4 minutes. This is going to update to say 2:10 because at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time it updates and it's 7:56 right now. So pretend this is Dogecoin or any coins. I'll keep this in view over here. Here's all you guys are going to do to trade with us. Here's how you guys are like, how have you won 105 trades in a row? That's ridiculous. Okay, listen to this. Watch. I'll show you. What you guys are going to do is you guys are going to see this chart on every single one of our coins on the front page, okay? Scroll all the way down to the bottom. You're going to see the metrics. Scroll down. This is at the bottom for everyone. The reason why I do this is it's powerful. Look at the metrics first and then look to get into the trade down here if you believe it's a good trade setup. Metrics will be the precursor to looking at a good trade setup. All right. Here's how you guys do this. Choose the amount you want to enter our trades with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions. Doesn't matter. If you're $4,000, it's $1,000. It's just 4 portions. Now take those 4 portions, $250, at each of those 4 buy limit, those 4 portions, $250, and place that at each of the 4 buy limits. 4 buy limits, guys. Come on. The reason why our account's doing so well is not because we're using 1, we're not using 2, we're using 4 buy limits. I showed you guys in the masterclass how if you are below the equator and watch that in the masterclass, it's okay to use 3 buy limits. In Bitcoin, you better be using 4 buy limits, guys, because this thing could still crash back down here. So 4 buy limits, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, set up the sell limit up here in your exchange, okay? That's all you guys are doing. After you're done with that, get into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits with our indicators, and I'm also telling you guys when I'm entering into new coins. Let me show this to you guys. Over here, we just exited the mana trade the other day, and I said I am now setting up my buy limits for mana based on the trade setups on the website. Okay, that mana trade that everyone saw me exit yesterday and also enter back into is this mana trade right here, where we're actually up this morning 1.71%. Do you guys see, if you're just following the metrics, you're following the membership, and you guys have our Telegram channel, you're going to start experiencing all these wins with me, because I'm literally calling out and telling you guys where I'm putting my $150,000 and where I'm entering into all these markets. Literally, you guys can copy everything I'm doing by just getting your membership and getting into the Telegram channel, and you guys will see all that. On top of that, the Inner Circle Hangout, guys, we are all going to get together on March 10th, 2020, so next month at between 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I'm going to go on Zoom, and I'm going to release the Zoom link to you guys, and we'll get on Zoom. It's going to be our first meeting. We're just going to casually, we're going to hang out, we're going to have fun. I'll talk about the market a little bit, maybe do an open Q&A sessions. You raise your hand in Zoom, and I'll open that up, and you guys can ask some questions about me or trading or anything like that, and it'll just be a fun hangout time, and we'll be able to get together as a family and talk about the markets. The masterclass, guys, I want you to watch this. If you guys want to know about the equator that I just talked to you guys about, you want to make more money in our trading program, you guys need to watch this. Guys, can I just be honest with you guys? I'm done with people are like, oh, stop selling in the videos. Guys, I'm going to talk about this because we're making people ridiculous amount of money, and like, we can help you, okay? Like, come over here and start trading with us, and I can promise you, you're going to see profits increase, okay? I know it's hard to say promise, but after seeing 105 wins in a row, we've created a strategy that in a bear market, your accounts are going to do amazing. You're going to be the first accounts in the profit in a bear market after a bear market when the bull market comes. It's almost impossible not to be because of our risk management. If you guys watch this, this will also show you guys how I actually entered in $14,000 into Coinbase. So you'll see how to actually set up buy limits in Coinbase. It's a really fun video for you guys to watch, so make sure you guys do that. Okay, guys, I'll leave you with this. The membership here, guys, $49 a month. Snag this, guys, before it goes up, or it's basically almost doubling to $95 February 25th. Everybody who gets in now at $49 a month, you guys will be able to get in there for life. You never have to see that upgraded. It will just stay at $49 for you guys every single month. Real quickly, the indicators that we're using, let me just say this, guys. If you want to copy everything we're doing, you want to get the price for Swell money flow, you want to get the trend dashboard and the trend exhaustion. These three indicators right here. That's obviously the ones that I showed you guys this morning. Here's the deal. On these four, you're going to get 40% off these three. 40% off these. Use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout. Here's the deal, though. We have 82% off our bundle pack. This is literally like we're running like a Black Friday sale for a while now. Like, I'm going to keep it this for a little bit here because I want you guys to take advantage of this. I know it's in a bear market. I want to keep things discounted for you guys before we up this. Look, in a bull market, when everyone's got a ton of money, great, we can up this. But I'm literally keeping this cheaper for you guys because I know we're in a bear market. The amount of accuracy that I've been showing you guys to call these markets with, this is how we've gone 105 for 105 wins. Every single exit I take, I consult these indicators right here. That's why you guys saw us take the mana exit and it dropped right after we took the exit. It's because of these. The bundle pack is going to give you access to all three of those indicators, as well as 6 indicators on top of these 3 here. The same price, pretty much the same price you'll pay for the 3 that you need anyways, is what the bundle pack is, and you're going to get 6 more, which is actually all of these indicators down here you guys are going to get access to. This is a one-time purchase. It is not a monthly fee. One-time purchase. You guys get the indicators for life, and you also get the source code to them as well, so nobody can take them away from you ever, okay? So make sure you guys get that. Today, it's 82% off. That is the best deal, hands down. All right, guys, I love you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm a little bit more, I'm just trying to be more me. Like, I really do believe in what we're doing over here. And so I know a lot of you guys who've been following me for a while, you guys are like, man, Travis, you talk about the indicators a lot, talk about your membership and all that stuff. Guys, can I just say thank you so much for giving me grace? There's a lot of people out there right now that are looking for some hope in this market, and they're losing. And I'll let me take this off. I'll put it back to the front page here. I'm not trying to like pump the membership in this whole video. You guys know where to get it. It's in the description. But my heart in here is like the testimonials we receive here from people are literally insane. Like my my team is still updating these every single, like almost every other day. We have more people coming out, profits that they're making. You guys want to like literally see what people are doing over here? Like read this. It's ridiculous. I just exited 50% of my exit here for 50% profit on AVAX. Second trade, second win. These guys are not losing trades over here that are with us, okay? We've had, people over here like, okay, 8% profit. I love showing this. Yes, I've shown you guys people doing tens of thousands of dollars, but 8%, that's awesome on 80. Like people are getting jacked about this. I actually haven't read this yet, but okay, using a strategy and indicators, I was able to move in and out twice today from Ethereum and gain $700. Dude, he gained $700, which is a weekly paycheck. Okay, you guys are starting to trade for a living now. That's what I'm saying. Like when people are over here, they're like, oh my gosh, I just made my paycheck. Really, really awesome. I haven't read this yet. P.S. I've subscribed and won 6 trades and currently have 8 positions open. Awesome. People are not losing trades because of what we're doing over here. I'll leave you guys with this. I just think this is funny, honestly. People buy the indicators and listen to Travis, the end. Okay. I just think it's funny. So I thought I'd just share that with you guys. Really, that's all I've got for you guys. I don't want to turn this into like a more video than this, but I'm just very passionate about what we do over here. And I think we can really help you guys in crypto. Maybe never lose a trade again. I've never lost a trade. And guys, we're doing really well over here. So I want to keep your account safe. I want you to be with a family. Our email support, like guys, Jake and Josh, blow the comment section up for Jake and Josh if you guys would for me. Like these guys are amazing. They're the ones helping you day in and day out over emails. I'm over here paying attention to the charts, doing the videos, doing the master classes, getting on Zoom with you guys. Like our team over here is doing everything we can to help you guys, and we are loving this. We love to see you guys successful. So if you guys watch to the end of this video, can you just blow up the comment section and just say like, we love you, Jake, we love you, Josh? Because a lot of times, obviously, I'm on the videos and you guys see me, but those guys, they don't obviously get a lot of credit. But if you guys could just just drop a comment in here. I don't know if Jake's going to watch this entire video. So if Jake watches this later, he's going to check the comments. Let's just blow this thing up. So just blow it up for Jake and Josh, guys, because they're just amazing. And they're the ones that are really dedicated. And they know everything I know. And we're here to help you guys over email if you have any questions. All right, guys. I love you so much. God bless you guys. Let's see what happens in the markets here. Set everything up you guys need over on the website here. It's all in the description, as well as I pinned it to the first YouTube comment for the bundle pack sale for the indicators as well as the membership. And I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless you, and I'll just keep the videos coming, and we'll keep the profits going. Let's see if we can actually hit 110 for 110 wins before this month is over. I think it's possible. All right, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.